Oh, it's bright out here. Hey everyone, we're gonna go through a snowy trek through this nice little woods. If you watched, what would it have been? My first video, the stream that we're at in that video, this is on the other side of it, a little ways away, but we could get back to that stream if we wanted to. Maybe we will. You like my hat? Jacques Seeds. I've had this hat since I was like, as long as I can remember, definitely single digit age. So let's go see what we can see. I got a hill to start me out, so let's get at it. Look at this, this is nice. Contemplating going down and around. You can go down this path over here and around and get down there, I think. I'm contemplating going down there and then climbing up this hill. We'll see. I'm gonna go explore a little more. I've never been in this area. All right, so I made my way down and I'm gonna go up this, which is a pretty solid chunk of hill right here. But a lot of trees, hopefully makes it pretty easy to get up, or at least manageable enough to get up. Easy wouldn't be that fun. Look at this. Unfortunately, you can still hear the road a bit. But I don't know if you just heard, there's a woodpecker also going to town. It's really pretty over here. Some of these trees just strike me as being so pretty. Like, look at this one. Look at how it just flares out, all these branches up there. That's awesome. And the trunk is so smooth. And of course these pines and evergreens are very pretty with the snowfall. Gonna curve around another way to see what's over there. Some of this trail I've trekked before, mostly down to the stream, but most of it I actually haven't been through before. You know, I've seen bears out here, but again, it's winter. But I've seen moose, deer, obviously, turkeys, fox. So it'd be nice to catch something. But bear is going to be the bottom of my list there. It might be good for YouTube views, but it's not going to be great in the moment, potentially. It's really pretty here. I'm getting kind of into the center of this, I think. Came down that spot right there. It's not really a path as far as I can tell. Maybe it is when there's no snow. But it goes down into this little ravine. So let's see what's down there. Sadly, can still hear like motors running. It's like no matter how far you go into this one, you just have that incessant humming, it seems. But still is nice to see. Still is a visual escape. You hear the woodpecker? peckering away. It's nice down here in this ravine. A little quieter, can hear the birds more clearly. That's where I came down from. Sun shining through at the moment. Yeah, it's pretty in here. You can see houses in the background. I think we'll head back up this way. Let's have a stop in at the stream, because I think we're close enough that I'll always opt in for a little babbling brook. Alright, I got up this little hill and this nice birch tree here. So pretty. But these are great for starting fires. I'm gonna take a bunch of this loose hanging bark here, stash it in my pocket, kind of warm it up and dry it out. Not that I'm starting an outside fire, of course, but it'll get it home. We got a little bundle here. Don't need anything elaborate. Someone built this. It's like a roof, and you can go under. This little covered thing. All right, folks, so my path back is right behind me over here. Yeah, there. And I just want to say thanks for watching. If anything cool pops up as I'm walking back, I'll flip it on and we'll see it together. And if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. It really goes a long way, especially early on, trying to get this channel up and running and get some interest. But I'll see you in the next walkabout. Cheers.